In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how you can make and share visual eye candy just like this. And best of all, we will only be using Rapper and some awesome free software. I'll be creating some beautiful patterns in Rapper, then use some free recording software which is probably already on your device, and then we will be editing it in some totally free software. Are you ready to jump in? Let's go! Hi there my dear friends, it is Michel here from Rapper. A neat Rapper feature is the Rapper Dream mode. With this you can create beautiful animated patterns. In today's video I will be sharing with you the most easiest, least technical way to create Rapper Dream mode videos. This is perfect for those who are not so familiar with video editing yet. In this video we will be diving deep, and it will be suitable for people who will make longer videos, who want to, for example, create ASMR and meditation videos using Rapper and the Dream mode. And we will be exploring more advanced editing software. But for now, let's jump into Rapper and start creating. Alright, so we are in Rapper, and I don't want this to be a full Rapper tutorial, so in case you want to see me create a lot of patterns, just go to any other video on our YouTube channel and you will learn a lot more about how Rapper works. But for now, I'll just quickly break down my pattern. So I have this beautiful source image here which has nice organic shapes, and I really like it, love the colors. And then I picked the bloom tiling, but others may also be really nice, such as the Persian star or the honeycomb. But you can experiment with any tiling you want. And then I went to the effects tab, put on some metamorphosis on the vertical mode. I put it all the way up, and there you have it. And now I've put the Dream mode, and I've put the speed on like medium tempo. You don't want it to be too quick, but you don't want it to be too slow either, because then it would be a bit dull. I have been spending several hours trying to find nice recording software just for you. Trying to find software that is easy to use, can be used on both PC and Mac, runs smooth on cheaper devices, and is completely free to use. And after many hours of researching, it turned out that we already have the solution installed on our devices. Since I am a Mac user, I will be recording using Quicktime. This is already installed on your device and it's completely free. For Windows users, there is also a free solution that is already installed on your device if you have Windows 10 or 11. This software is called Xbox Game Bar. A nice tutorial on how to use that can be found in the description down below. Now let's jump into QuickTime. And now, to start recording, I opened QuickTime and just opened some random file. And I have never been aware of this, but you can actually go here to File and press New Screen Recording. And then here you have Capture Entire Screen. These first three options seem to be screenshots. And here you have Record Entire Screen. Within the options you have, this is like a timer that is counting in before you start recording. I think 10 seconds is nice. Then you have other location. Here you can set location you want your screen recording to save to. And I've set it to desktop. And then to start recording, we hit this button and hit display 1. Now let's start recording and let's run the Rapper Dream mode. Alright, so we are recording, and I'll just make this full screen. And we can just relax to this, chill a bit, and enjoy all these beautiful visuals which were created using the Rapper Dream mode. I will just be speeding up this process a bit, and then we will be editing this. Alright, so that's enough. I'm going to stop the Dream mode by hitting D, and then I'm hitting Escape to get out of the full screen mode. Alright, and now if I go with my mouse all the way up, here is my button which will stop the recording. Now for the editing, we have decided to go with the online version of CapCut. CapCut is a great software that is free, although there are a lot of premium features which you can of course unlock by purchasing a paid plan. But anything that I will be doing today can be achieved with the free version. CapCut can be used online in the browser, but you also have a downloadable version, which will be slightly more advanced. And what is also great about it is that it doesn't have the file size limits. But we decided to use the online editor since it is very easy and also has nice options for social sharing. Let's start editing our video. Alright, so I just went to CapCut.com. So I'm going to create new, and here we have several options. 16:9 is horizontal. It can work well if you make a YouTube video or something for Facebook. But since we are creating a little social video here today, 9:16 is great. So I'm hitting this and I'm going to media and I say upload and upload file, and I will just search for my file. Here we are, and I'll just drag my recording into the timeline. Alright, sweet. And now I've recorded horizontally, but I want it to be vertically. So in order to do that, that's very simple. I just go here and say fill. And kaboom. And now I will play my recording a bit. And you can see that I have made a bit of a mess in the beginning. So in order to cut, I can just go here and say split. And split at this point. I'm deleting this one. I want my video to be roughly 1 minute so that we can share it on social media. So I'm making another cut here and I'm just deleting this. I think we're almost done. By the way, this is showing a low quality preview, but eventually we'll get a nice quality video. Now just playing this. Okay, it looks fun. CapCut also has a nice audio library. Let's jump in and find some awesome music for our video. Now I want to upload a little bit of music, for which I can go to audio, and here are some nice options. Let's find a nice one. Calm background music. Lo-fi hip-hop, perfect for travel. Okay, it seems chill. So I'm just dragging that music from the audio library into my timeline, and I'm also cropping this to the same length. And I think, yeah, like this. And now I think our video is done. So I'm hitting export. As you can see, there are different options here. Share for review, share as a presentation. But you can also share it straight to your TikTok or Instagram Reels or Facebook page or YouTube. So that's really nice about this specific editor. So if you really want to do that, probably you would need to link your account. I'm not going to jump into that, but it seems to be a really nice and interesting option. But for now, I'm just hitting download and exporting at the highest quality possible. And exporting. And now I'll just show you a preview of our final product. That is all for today, my dear friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, we would really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and smash the little bell icon, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. If you really want to dive in deep with many great tips, then check out this video. That is all for today, my dear friends. Have fun creating your very first dream mode video, and I'll see you next time.